Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl Stokes, and if you're looking for a great casserole to bring to your next potluck, I've got that casserole just for you, a twice baked potato casserole. Before I begin, please remember that if you want to see more videos like these and when we publish them, please press that subscribe button and the bell notification, and we always appreciate a great thumbs up, or we love to see your comments as well. Now to begin, my first step in this process today is I want to cook a pack of bacon. So we're making a twice baked potato casserole. And the difference between this and just your regular twice baked potato is I'm not going to stuff it back into the kind of the boat that's left after you scoop out all the potato. So this is a little bit easier where you can just put everything into one casserole dish and just take it with you. Okay, y'all, so we finished up our bacon. It looks wonderful. All right, our next step in our twice baked potato casserole requires the main ingredient, which is some great large baker potatoes. And Mike got me 6. Now these are really big. Some of them are really, really big. So my, typical train of thought is like 2 servings per potato, because when we bake a potato just for dinner, we half it and we just eat half of these big ones. So if you think about that, I've got 6 here, so you could basically serve about 12 to 14 people. And if you're making this for a potluck or to take to, somewhere to your mom's house for Sunday lunch or something like that, you could feed like 12 to 14 people with these 6 potatoes. Now I washed these in the sink. I didn't scrub them, but I do have a little potato scrubber, just this little scrubber. So if I were leaving the peel on and possibly making French fries with these, I would scrub them real good. So I've got 6 pieces of foil here, and our oven is on 400. All right, so now I have my potatoes washed, and I'm gonna wrap them. I sprayed them with, this is a neat little olive oil spray. It's in a spray instead of an aerosol. So we just spray olive oil on our potatoes. And Mike usually puts like salt and Tony Sasseries, but for this recipe, since we're not eating them as straight up baked potatoes, I'm gonna skip that part. So I'm just gonna wrap them up. There we go. And I'll do that for each one. All right, so I got these all prepared on a baking sheet. I'm gonna put them in the oven. It's preheated at 400 degrees, and we'll bake them for 45 minutes on one side, flip them over, and bake for another 45 minutes. And that'll be our baked potatoes. Hey y'all, we're back, and our potatoes are nice and soft. We can squeeze them and they're soft in the middle. So what I want to do before we put our casserole together is I want to let these cool a bit. So I'm going to take them out of the foil and put them on my little cooling rack, because right now they're just too hot to deal with. And we actually, because these were so big, we actually cooked them for an extra 30 minutes. So yeah. So I'm gonna put these on the rack. I'm gonna let them cool maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back and assemble everything for our twice baked potato casserole. Let me remind you that we have a cookbook. It's called Cajun Cooking Made Easy, and you can get your copy today on our website at CajunCookingTV.com. let the potatoes cool a little bit, Mike opened them up for me and let that steam out. And so I still got them going here. So while they're kind of still hot, I'm taking the peel off. So you just take a little piece of it and it just peels right off. You can do it with your finger. Just pinch it and pull it off. Just like that. And if you end up with some on there, it's okay, because you know what? Mike Stokes would have left it all on, but I don't want to. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got all my potatoes done. We decided to just put 4 in here because they were so big. I don't think we've ever gotten potatoes this big before. So we're just gonna put in the fixings, just like you would have a stuffed potato at a restaurant, you know, with the butter, sour cream, some bacon bits, green onions. We're putting all that together, and this is gonna be our twice baked potato casserole. And again, I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description so you don't have to go anywhere else. You can see the full recipe in the description. So first off, I got a stick of butter. Yes, a stick of butter. I wanted a half a stick of butter, but somebody said I needed to put more. He said he would have done 2, but we'll just do 1. Okay, we need to sprinkle some salt because this has no salt whatsoever. So I'll just do about a half a teaspoon of salt. I got 1 cup sour cream. Very nice. Very, very nice. Put that in there. Earlier I cooked the bacon. You watched me cook the bacon, and then I cut it into little strips. So this is gonna be yummy. I might need to keep some for my little dog. And then I've got some fresh green onions. I cut these up yesterday. Now again, like I said earlier, this is a great casserole if you want to bring to someone's house. You could actually prep it the day before and you know, just bake it right before you leave. So this is a good one. Now it does, you know, take some time to put it together because it did take us 2 hours for the potatoes to cook. So it takes a little pre-planning, but if you do want to make it ahead, that's good. So I'm gonna take my mix and chop here and get this all mashed together so I can put it in a casserole dish. I can eat it just like this. So I'm gonna put some more cheese on top and some more green onions. I wish I could get a picture of what Mike is telling me to do. How about that?
Let me get you another bag.
No. Enough cheese. Alright. Put a little green onion on top. Not too much. Put a little of this bacon. I still gotta save Mickey some. Alright. So this is going in the oven. Basically about 25-30 minutes. I just want to brown the top, melt all that cheese on the inside, and then it'll be ready to go. And Mike's going to cook us some steaks tonight, so this is going to be our side item. All right, y'all, it is time to eat this Saturday at the Stokes house, and we are delighted to have some fillets, 2 fillets we have, and Mike cooked them for us real quick in the cast iron skillet. And I have our twice baked potato casserole full of yummy cheese, sour cream, butter, bacon, and green onions. So I've already plated myself with that. And we have some fresh asparagus. So if you want to watch our how to make asparagus video, it's our #1 video. Incredible. I'll put the link right here for you. The recipe is down in our description. We want to remind you, please consider subscribing. Press that bell notification. Give us your comments. We love to hear from you. And smash that like button. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget about the Cajun Cooking Made Easy Cookbook. It's available on our website at CajunCookingTV.com. I'm Beryl Stokes, and we'll see you next time.
It's a wrap.